Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best school supplies are probably one of the most essential components for a successful and engaging. Number 5. Snap Circuits Junior SC 100 Electronics Exploration Kit. Introducing the Snap Circuits Junior SC 100, a fantastic electronics exploration kit designed for young minds. It's the perfect way to introduce kids aged 8 and up to the exciting world of electrical engineering. With over 100 projects to build, this kit offers endless hours of fun and learning. Kids can create amazing electronic gadgets and toys using the easy-to-follow, full-color project manual. This educational toy is designed to make STEM learning engaging and accessible. It helps children develop practical skills while having a blast building and playing with their creations. Getting started is a snap. Everything you need is included, and no extra tools or soldering are necessary. The color-coded pieces easily snap together on the included grid. Join countless happy builders who love this award-winning kit. It's a gift of learning and fun that keeps on giving, perfect for holidays and all year round. Looking for even more excitement? Combine this kit with other Snap Circuit sets to unlock an even wider universe of electronic projects and possibilities. What we like? This kit offers over 100 exciting electronic projects that snap together easily without any tools. It's an award-winning educational toy designed for kids aged 8 and up. If you are looking for a fun and safe way to introduce your child to the world of electronics and STEM, this is an excellent choice. What people say? Easy for a young kid, 6, to work, but also great for older science-loving kids, 13 years. The pieces seem sturdy and well-constructed. The Snap Circuit set is amazing. There are so many different, fun, educational, and exciting projects you can do with this set that it is still going strong after years of use. Number 4. Super Z Outlet Assorted Jewel Gems, 100 pack. Add a touch of sparkle to any project with these vibrant, self-adhesive jewel gems. They're perfect for adding flair to arts, crafts, and decorations. These confetti gems are ideal for all your special event needs. Use them to liven up birthdays, weddings, baby showers, and more. Featuring a convenient peel and stick backing, these gems can be applied to almost any surface. Let your creativity shine with these fun and colorful additions. Available in a dazzling array of shapes like hearts and stars, and a wide spectrum of colors. You'll have plenty to choose from for any occasion. These versatile gems are great for handmade accessories, personalized ornaments, and children's activities. The possibilities are truly endless. This pack contains 100 assorted gems, each measuring 1 inch in diameter. Get ready to decorate with a fantastic assortment of colors. What we like? These gems come in a vibrant assortment of shapes and colors, perfect for adding sparkle to any craft or decoration. With an easy-to-use adhesive backing, they stick to almost any surface. If you need to add a festive touch to party decorations, handmade accessories, or art projects, these are a fantastic and versatile option. What people say? Sparkles and easy peel back. Kids had fun, but so did I. Have bought large wooden hearts, painted and applied stones. Note, these are 1-2-1 stones. Great for small hands. Colors are vibrant. Super sticky and great for arts and crafts. There are enough in here to last my kids for years worth of random projects. Little preschool age kids love to decorate with these beautiful gems. They are great stickers on them. Number 3. Really Good Stuff 100th Day Posters, 24 pack. Hip, hip, hooray. It's time to celebrate 100 days of learning in a fun and festive way. These posters are perfect for marking this special milestone. Students can add their personal flair by drawing or gluing 100 items onto their own t-shirt design. It's a fantastic way to express their creativity. These posters are generously sized at 17x22, making them perfect for classroom crafts. Students will love decorating them to commemorate 100 days of school. Spice up your 100th day activities and parties with these festive decorations. They are a great addition to any classroom celebration. Designed to stand up to day in and day out classroom use, these products are unrivaled in quality. You can trust them for all your educational needs. With a pack of 24 student posters, your whole class can celebrate together. Everyone gets to join in the fun and mark this exciting achievement. What we like. These posters are designed specifically to celebrate the 100th day of school, allowing students to draw or glue 100 items onto them. They are perfect for classroom crafts and parties, encouraging creativity. If you're a teacher looking for an engaging activity for your students to mark this special school milestone, this pack of 24 posters is ideal. What people say. The posters were pretty sturdy. Nice activity to use for the 100th day of school. This is large like the picture shows, and it contains extra for additional children or the next year. The quality of the paper is very durable. It's worth the investment. Number 2. My first Learn to Write workbook. Unlock your child's potential with our engaging workbook. It's designed to build essential early learning skills. Watch as they improve their grip and control with fun tracing exercises. This helps build a steady hand for writing. Learn to form letters correctly and confidently. Each page provides ample practice for neat handwriting. Celebrate every milestone as they progress through the activities. This workbook is a fantastic tool for building self-assurance. Prepare your little one for success in preschool and beyond. It covers fundamental skills in an enjoyable way. Make learning an adventure with this colorful and interactive workbook. It's the perfect blend of fun and education. What we like. This workbook focuses on foundational skills like pen control and line tracing, essential for early learners. It also includes practice with letters and other basic concepts. If you have a preschooler or young child who is just beginning to develop their writing skills, this workbook provides a structured and comprehensive way to build confidence. What people say. Each letter is clearly printed with fun illustrations that help kids remember the sounds and shapes. The pages are sturdy enough to handle little hands and crayons without tearing. The pages are thick, durable, and clearly made to last, even with little hands constantly flipping through. It doesn't feel cheap at all. You can tell it's made with great materials and thoughtful design. The pages are bright and engaging, and I like how it starts with simple tracing lines before moving on to letters and numbers. The book is well laid out with plenty of space for practice. Number 1. Awesome science experiments for kids. Are you ready for some amazing fun? This book is packed with over 100 exciting STEM and STEAM projects designed to spark curiosity and creativity in young minds. Discover the magic behind everyday phenomena. Each experiment is a hands-on adventure that makes learning about science, technology, engineering, art, and math incredibly engaging. It's not just about the wow factor. You'll also learn the why behind each activity, understanding the scientific principles in a way that's easy to grasp. Whether at home or in the classroom, these activities provide endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Get ready to build, create, and learn. Inspire a love for learning that goes beyond the pages. These awesome activities are designed to make STEM accessible and enjoyable for every child. What we like. This book is packed with over 100 fun STEM and STEAM projects that not only engage kids but also explain the scientific principles behind them. It's designed to make learning exciting and accessible. If you're looking for a resource to spark curiosity and provide hands-on learning experiences that also teach the why behind experiments, this is a great choice for budding scientists. What people say. The experiments use mostly accessible household materials, which is a huge plus. The instructions are clearly written, and the layout makes it easy to follow along without confusion. This engaging book offers over 100 hands-on projects that are not only educational but also incredibly fun, making it perfect for kids of all ages. Well explained, easy to follow. Every experiment is broken down into difficulty, duration, detailed steps plus material and of course the explanation, how and why. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.